Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Mazda CX-30 GS versus GT. We will explore the distinct characteristics of each trim, helping you understand what sets them apart. Our discussion will cover everything from engine performance to interior amenities, ensuring you have a clear picture. By the end, you will be better equipped to decide which CX-30 best suits your needs and preferences. When it comes to power, the GS trim usually includes a capable 2.5-liter naturally aspirated engine, delivering 191 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. The GT, however, elevates the driving experience with an available 2.5-liter turbocharged engine, boosting output to 250 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. Both models feature Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system for confident handling in various conditions. Inside, the GT trim often boasts a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system, enhancing your audio experience. You'll also find advanced features like a 360-degree view monitor and advanced keyless entry on the GT, providing extra convenience and safety. Both the GS and GT trims commonly offer comfortable heated front seats and a heated steering wheel, perfect for colder climates. Ultimately, the GS trim presents an excellent value, providing a well-rounded package of comfort and safety features for daily driving. If you desire a more premium experience, including a more powerful engine option and advanced technology, the GT trim is a compelling choice. Consider your priorities for performance, luxury, and budget to make the best decision. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.